guys. Hey Blink Squad!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're in the kitchen.
Video what?
We're cleaning out the fridge and the freezer. Say hi, Brendan. Say hi.
You said I was on a video right now. What you talking about? You ain't stressing me out.
So today we're going to clean out our fridge and freezer. This is before. I'll show you what it looks like after.
I'll wait.
So as you guys can see, I cleared off the top shelf. Brandon's not in here right now, but I'm gonna go shelf by shelf and we are going to clean out, throw away, and wipe down both the fridge and the freezer.
So this is the... Yeah, we're gonna clean it today.
So again, we'll be back. And this is what it looks like after. Oh, look how beautiful it looks. Nice and clean. If you look really close down below, there was a lot of ice down there that was built up. We've gotten it defrosted and it looks fabulous.
And you see it's much more clearer in these cabinets.
We're just excited because we cleaned out the fridge.
And then this side is tied too.
But let's see how the juicing has been. So you guys know that we are on a TTC journey. So I've been looking up all things TTC a whole lot recently. And I've actually found juicing for TTC. So we're going to start with ginger root, some carrots, and some fresh apples. So join us as we juice for TTC.
Juice.
Good job. Good job. Go ahead. Push it down. You could do some apples too, you know. Push it down. Yep, there you go. You got it. You're juicing, baby. Good job. Good job. Use your top. Use your top. Get your apples. Put your apples in.
Did it go down?
There you go. Get some more. Don't get it stuck. Push it, push it, push it. There you go.
Woo, that was good.
Get a piece of ginger. Did you do the ginger already?
No, it's right here.
Okay, put in your ginger.
Oh, put it in your jar. Oh, wow, that was fast.
And then finish up, finish up.
Can you do it? I heard that. We're gonna let Super Mom do it. Woo! She got in. Stay at him. Super Mom's pushing him in. Look at our sweetie. Pretty good. Looks pretty good. Wow, look at the smoothie thing. Oh, guys, oh, it looks so It's so orange because we put all the
Well, it's
carrots
majority
first.
carrots in there, baby.
Carrots. Oh, okay. We saw our pour. Ooh, look. Oh my goodness.
So I'm gonna do what my mom would do to mix it up. Just do one of these.
Mmm.
All right, last time. So there's that.
And this is mine. Oh la la. That looks so delicious. It looks like orange juice, kind of.
Orange juice?
Yeah.
Or juice with an orange color?
No, like orange juice.
All right. Want to taste it?
Yeah. Taste. Okay.
What do you think?
It's good. You can taste that carrot definitely, but there's also that ginger that's like, but it's still good. So, yeah, let's get Mommy's reaction.
Apples, carrots, and ginger. Bottoms up.
Let's see Mommy's reaction. Do you taste that tang?
The ginger is strong.
Mm-hmm.
Next time, I don't think I'm going to use so much. But I think we need to go ahead and finish this now. Because according to the recipe and the instructions, and I'll put the link of the site that I got it from, it says you want to drink immediately after juicing it. So that way all the enzymes and the good stuff in your juice can start getting to work right away.
Woo. That was us making our orange juice slash, what's it called? TCC juice.
TTC girl.
TTC juice.
Is gonna try it. Tell me what you think. What do you think? What do you think? You need a moment?
Just be gone with your ginger.
Lauren didn't finish hers, of course, so for dinner, I did. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely turn your notifications on so you know when we do new videos.
Bye, Blink Squad.